Welcome back, Donnie D, back at you. So today we're going to talk about my new offering to you, how I can potentially and most likely help you for your project. Here we go. Welcome back, everyone. Donnie D here with Donnie D's Tile and Remodeling out of Spotswood, New Jersey. So my new offering to everyone out there, this pretty much I can help anyone in the country here, maybe overseas, I don't know, we'll see how this works out. But my new offering to you is consulting one-on-one. You can get me on the phone, we could even do Zoom call. I'm offering consulting now, from now on moving forward, for your project or your bathroom remodel. Just to give you a brief idea what kind of experience I have, if you're unfamiliar with me or my company or how I can help you, I've been in the construction industry since '99, doing residential remodels, all types of construction on a home residential wise. My background as a carpenter, then I found my passion with tile. That's why I do tile in bathrooms now. That's all I do. So anything that has to do with your bathroom model or especially your tile installation, I can help you. You want to know how to do things, what's the process, how to find the best contractor in your area, whatever it is that has to do with the tile installation on your home or your bathroom remodel. I have plenty of experience, many years, many projects I've done that I can help you, guide you through the whole process of how to do the installation. Or maybe you want to say, hey, how do I find a good contractor in my area? How can I vet somebody that I know is going to do a good job? Well, I'm here to help one-on-one. Go to the description below this video, or you can go to my website, get my email. My email is a little bit long, but just to tell you now, it's d.tile and remodeling LLC@gmail.com. Go to the email there, email me. We set up a time and a day that works for both of us. We get on the phone, we do a Zoom call, guide you through the whole process. I'm here to help. Whatever you need to get done, again, I'm here to help you, to serve you. So let me know, we'll go from there. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Donnie D, signing off.